trying to condense everything that I meant in a minute or less. When I called to confess and make all of my stresses go bye-bye.
Did you get my message? You didn't, I guess. Cause if you did, you would've called me with your sweet intent, and we could give it a rest. Instead of beating our breasts and making all of the pressure go sky high.
Do you ever wonder what happens to the words that we send? Do they bend or they break from the flight that they take and come back together again with a whole new meaning and a brand new sense, completely unrelated to the one I sent? Did you get my message? Ooh, oh, did you get my message? Oh, did you get my message? Yeah. Where did it go? Must have bypassed your phone and flown right out of the window.
Oh well, how can I tell? Should I call the operator?
Or maybe she know the info, or we're the wrong nights if my message you got was too much or a lot to reply.
Well, I tried this for a fact.
Well, should you ever call back, I'd relax and be relieved of all my panic attacks. The one I left while I was trying to condense everything that I meant.
Now the moment is past.
Not much